Welcome to Mole Conversions Video 3, Moles and Mass of Compounds. Our first example says convert 34 grams of ammonia, NH3, to moles. So we start by writing down what we're given. 34 grams of ammonia. And I'm going to put that over 1, just like always. And I'm going to need to multiply by a conversion factor. The conversion factor between moles and mass is molar mass. Now, because ammonia is a compound, we're going to need to calculate its molar mass, which basically means just adding up the masses of all of the elements, right? So we'll take the mass of nitrogen and add the mass of 3 hydrogens to get our total molar mass. So looking on the periodic table, nitrogen has a mass of 14.007. Hydrogen has a mass of 1.008. Then we add all that up to determine the molar mass. Our molar mass comes out to 42.357 grams per mole. And now I'm going to use that as my conversion factor in this problem. So in this case, I have grams and I want moles. So moles goes on the top, grams goes on the bottom. In 1 mole of ammonia, there is 42.357 grams. And then I do out the calculation. 34 divided by 42.357, which, rounding to significant figures, comes out to 0.80 moles of ammonia. Again, we should always label what element or compound we are doing the conversion for, because it becomes very important later in the stoichiometry unit. Our next example says convert 5.7 moles of lithium chloride to mass in grams. So I'm going to start by writing down what I'm given. 5.7 moles of lithium chloride. Put that over 1. And then we need to multiply it by our conversion factor. Again, the conversion factor for moles and mass is molar mass. So I need to calculate the molar mass of lithium chloride, which is just going to be the mass of lithium added to the mass of chlorine. So on the periodic table, lithium has a molar mass of 6.941. And chlorine has a molar mass of 35.453. And then we just add them together to get our molar mass, which comes out to 42.394 grams per mole. So then I'll use this in my conversion factor. In this case, I'm starting with moles and I want grams. So moles goes on the bottom, so it cancels. Grams goes on the top. In 1 mole of lithium chloride, there is 42.394 grams. And then we just do our calculation. 5.7 times 42.394. which, rounding to significant figures, comes out to 240 grams of lithium chloride. And those are our examples for how to convert between moles and mass of a compound.